Create a Facebook account without a phone number. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection. After that, launch the Play Store application and search for Facebook. So just make sure you have an updated version of Facebook application on your device. So as you can see, there's no option of update, which means we have the latest version of Facebook application. So just tap on open and here you'll be able to create an account. So just tap on get started and here you just need to enter your name over here. So let's enter the name over here and then tap on next. Here mention your birth date over here. I'm going to choose a very random birth date over here. So then tap on set, then tap on next. Select the gender and here we have the option of mobile number, but since we want to avoid creating account with a phone number, we're going to tap on sign up with email. Here just mention the email ID over here and then tap on next, and here you just have to enter a password and it will send you a verification code, and you just have to enter the verification code and you'll be able to create a Facebook account without a phone number. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.